What's up, Car Rev 3 fam? Today we're looking at an absolute monster that's rewriting the rules for German performance sedans, the all-new 2027 Audi RS5. Man, let me tell you, this thing isn't just another luxury ride, it's a completely different animal that blends serious speed with daily driving comfort. Audi basically took their legendary formula and pushed it into a totally new era, and no joke, the results are mind-blowing. This specific model is finished in an incredibly vibrant progressive red paint, and I'm not gonna lie, it's easily among the most striking colors I've ever seen on an RS model. It highlights every curve and vent perfectly, giving you that aggressive contrast against the black exterior accents. Let's talk about the exterior because the front end is an absolute showstopper. You've got this wider single-frame grille featuring that iconic four-ring logo that immediately grabs your attention, flanked by massive air intakes that are just begging for air. The sharper lighting signatures up front give this car a seriously mean look that tells everyone to get out of the way. The whole body sits lower and wider than the previous generation, and from the side profile, those pronounced wheel arches completely steal the show, making it crystal clear that you're not messing with a standard luxury sedan. Rolling on sick, lightweight, dark wheels with massive red brake calipers, this thing looks track-ready. Moving to the back, the taillights have a futuristic signature, and the huge exhaust tips integrated into the rear diffuser let you know this car means business. But trust me, the design is just the appetizer. The main course is what sits underneath the sheet metal. Audi introduced a new plug-in hybrid performance system pairing a twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine with a potent electric motor. Together, they throw down an unbelievable 639 horsepower and 609 pound-feet of torque, placing the RS5 directly in the crosshairs of the most powerful sedans today. When you mash the pedal, this hybrid works with Audi's legendary all-wheel drive to launch you from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The handling is out of this world too, thanks to the new dynamic torque control system that actively shifts power between the rear wheels, keeping you glued to the road. But here's the wild part. Because it's a plug-in hybrid, you can operate on pure electric power for short commutes, getting you decent MPG before unleashing all 639 horsepower on the weekend. Jumping inside, the cabin combines top-tier luxury with next-level technology. The redesigned interior is built around a digital experience, featuring a massive central touchscreen, an advanced digital instrument cluster, and a sleek passenger display so your co-pilot stays entertained. The layout feels modern, but not overwhelming, and there's still plenty of boot space in the trunk for your daily gear. The sport seats provide amazing support when cornering hard, and they're wrapped in premium leather with gorgeous red stitching. You get Alcantara and real carbon fiber trim everywhere, creating a high-end vibe. The flat-bottom steering wheel is chunky and sporty, with bold RS branding and dedicated boost buttons, making every drive an absolute event. Pricing should start right around $95,000 for the US market, putting it head-to-head with the heavy hitters from BMW and MAG. If you want a sedan that genuinely does it all, this RS5 makes a very compelling case. Alright, if you're digging this ride, go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and roll with Car Rev 3 for more epic reviews. Catch you next time.